Time to get rolling the Bequia.
And good news, this should be our last overnight passage until we make our 10-day passage home to St. Augustine.
Bequia lies directly ahead of us.
The Caribbean is really, really crowded. Take 2 of trying to enter the country. This is like what you think of when you're going to go cruising. This is what you think of now what we've done the past 2 years.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way. We got what it takes. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Time to get rolling the Bequia. Anchor's up. Time to go.
See you later, Barbados. The seas were mostly calm, so we enjoyed a beautiful sunset dinner as a family before we settled into our night shift routines. Is this not as much wind as you expected?
No, I was expecting at least like 18 knots of wind, and we don't have 18 knots of wind.
And we have 8.
Yeah.
It's pretty out here tonight, though.
Beautiful. I mean, look at that sky. Red sky at night. Sailor's delight.
And good news, this should be our last overnight passage until we make our 10-day passage home from wherever we leave from. We don't know if it's going to be the Dominican, Puerto Rico, or the BVI's to do our final passage home to St. Augustine. So I like these easy nights. Well, kind of. We don't have the wind. We only have 10 knots for under engine. We've got a jib out, and it's right behind us because it's out of the east. But kind of look at this. Coming out of Barbados, we have 4 cruise ships. All coming. One's going to Bequia, one's going to St. Lucia, one's going to Barbados. 2 are going to Barbados, I believe. But it should be easy. I got a chance to work out. Rob's sleeping. Davis just went down, so like these 1 overnights.
And ho! Woohoo! We're here. Alright, Bequia lies directly ahead of us. We are here. We've got still about 6 more miles to go before we go around the other side of the island, the easterly side of the island, to go to the anchorage. Right now we're dealing with a current that is pushing us northwest. So we're having to kind of crab into it a little bit in order to get where we need to go. We got to go around some islands and everything. But we've got the engine running right now. The wind has been fluky. It's been going anywhere between like 9 to 12 knots. But because the waves, if you see, we're kind of moving around a little bit. The waves keep causing the jib to flog. So we've got the jib rolled up right now. We're just under motor, just cruising in. We're going to get there in plenty of time. We'll be there probably around noon, and we'll get checked in. Here, Shannon is going to go nuts when she sees this place. I mean, you know, this kind of reminds me of French Polynesia. And New Zealand, actually. So, wow, who knew? Bequia is pretty amazing. And we haven't even gotten there yet.
Caribbean is really, really crowded. We are not used to crowded anchorages. We're used to wide open spaces, very few boats. So my threshold for parking this close to other boats is not what it used to be.
We can go right. We can park right where they are.
And we're back in the land of the charter boats. I don't know, that kind of makes me feel uneasy. Does that make you feel uneasy?
So we got there, or we can go where that charter boat right there is picking up.
Go right here. It's fine.
And there's a black space there. I don't know what that black space means. Here, I can scoop it out. Oh.
Is the wheel locked? I'm gonna go more forward. 17 feet. We got room. Drop right here. What do you mean come back? Like drop it right here. We got 15 feet of water. Neutral. Do you have the bridle on? Oh, there's a lagoon parking right back next to us, so. Right to the over here. Are we? We're not close right now. They're just gonna come. All right, anchor is all set. As soon as we get here, we get a monohull that like is anchoring right at our stern. We have a lagoon over here right at our stern. I'm just not used to these cramped quarters. This is a whole different ballgame of anchoring. Welcome to Bequia.
Country number?
23.
We're in the Grenadines.
So how was that overnight compared to what we've been doing?
That was easy peasy. I mean, honestly, the wind was behind us, and we motor sailed the whole way. So.
But cakewalk, leaving one country and going to another in less than 12 hours.
19 hours.
Yeah. So nice. Let's go check into Bequia. Holy tourists.
Cheers.
Cheers. We haven't checked in the country yet because we went to immigration, to customs, and they were closed, so having a bite of lunch first.
Oh yeah, we gotta go.
Caribbean looks amazing. How's your, what would you rate your pizza? You went from chicken nuggets to pizza.
9 out of 10. It was really good.
Wow.
Very thick.
Rob's a little sad because he was hankering for a fish burger, for a fish sandwich.
No fish.
Had to settle for a hamburger. Take 2 of trying to enter the country.
All right, customs immigration completed. We are checked in to Bequia.
And that was $38.
Yeah, not too bad.
Tell them you have to do something. You have to get a payment from a client. There's still nothing.
Thank you. Is it pina colada? Oh, this is like being in the Caribbean now. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Like we got the charter rentals here with the good music, the good view. This is like what you think of when you're going to go cruising. This is what you think of, not what we've done the past 2 years. This is a completely different life.
I mean, we were racing.
We were racing around the world. Now we're like,
Now you can chill.
this is nice. Good morning from beautiful Bequia. We are today and go to a snorkel spot right over here, and then we're gonna clean our bottom, which is very much needed.
Once you've been to the Pacific and been to like those absolute beautiful islands, it's weird because like the coral here doesn't seem to be as vibrant.
Did you expect the hull to be as nasty as she was?
I mean, yes and no. We had it cleaned in Cape Town, and we didn't stay long in Namibia, hardly at all. And we've been moving pretty fast, but I mean, she grew some hair, man.
I mean, she needed a haircut. She needed a lawnmower. We got her all clean today, and then Rob and I are just saying, like, the Caribbean, this life right here is completely different than what we've experienced the past 2 years.
Oh, absolutely.
Sailing around the world.
Yeah.
The only other place like this was when we were in
Probably
Fiji.
Tahiti. Yeah, Tahiti had a lot of sailboats too.
No, but just the whole lifestyle. Like,
Oh,
this is
yeah.
like party central, life is a vacation. Just a different, I don't know, just a different vibe than we've been used to. It's real, I mean...
Because for people in Australia and New Zealand, Fiji is like the Caribbean for them, so.
But it's just, I mean, it's really nice to be apart. If you want an easy cruising life, just cruise the Caribbean. Like, it's
simple.
Yeah, it's a great place to start. The adults needed some much needed time away from Davis today, so we're gonna go on a hike. We're walking to the village to get to this, or we think it's a trailhead. But even if we don't find a trailhead, just walking to the village and everyone's home on their front porch, they're cooking, so you can smell all the fragrant flavors. They're out doing laundry, churches are singing. It's just really, really neat.
Oh, we're here.
This
wasn't
much of a hike, it was just a walk through town.
I've seen bigger forts, but hey man, they got cannons. They were here, they were ready.
Never realized there were so many cannons all over the world in these little islands.
It makes me think that the way these cannons are positioned and how they're set into the stone, that these weren't the original. This was probably the original location of the fort, but probably it was mostly destroyed, and they just built this up to kind of display it, which is cool still though.
Good Lord. So we found another grocery store.
Wow.
We
Holy
got
expensive Batman.
We got one thing of tortillas, 2 small packages of chorizo, and sour cream.
Yes.
For how much?
116 Caribbean dollars.
Which is like 40 bucks.
Something like that, yeah.
We are checked out of Bequia.
This was a great little place though.
This
Really
was
cool.
not a great, no, I mean, the provisions, just the grocery store is limited. I didn't show you it because it's so intimate. I was just embarrassed to film in there. But really, a lot of fresh fruit though.
This is very much a cruiser's mecca here because there's a lot of restaurants. There's a lot of, there's some cruise ships that come out every week, I think, once a week. So it's a cruise port, so there's a lot of stuff to do here, and it's a fabulous little place, but I'm glad we got to stop here. It's cool.
Yep, we are now headed over, we're gonna do an overnight up to St. Lucia.